Anna Namaskara. If you want to start a small business this year, it should be a tea shop. This video can help you to understand the basic things that you need to start your tea shop business. First thing, you need a good product. Tea is the most common and favorite drink for all Indians. That's why you should start a tea shop. You can also sell other things like coffee, snacks, meals, but tea is the main product. Second thing, you need a target customer. Who are you going to sell? Target customer for tea shop can be school and college students, office employees, shopkeepers, etc. Third thing, you need a location. If you are starting a tea shop business, you have to take a small shop near to your target customer location. Like if your target customer is a school or college student, then you have to take a shop near to the school or college. Fourth thing you need is a minimum investment. To start this business, you need only 2 to 3 lakhs rupees. And you can earn at least 30 to 40,000 rupees per month. This business has a very low startup cost and you can earn good profits. Fifth thing you need is a team. If you don't have any experience in running a tea shop business, you need a good team to manage your business. You have to hire employees like tea makers, salespersons, helpers, and a sixth thing you need is a proper plan. If you are starting a tea shop business, you have to follow some steps. First of all, make a detailed business plan. Take a loan if you need money to start your business. Buy all the things that you need for your tea shop. Hire employees if you need. Take a shop on rent and pay all the bills like electricity, water bills, etc. If you follow all these steps, you can start your tea shop business with a small investment and you can earn good profit. Tea business is one of the oldest and most profitable businesses in India. So try this business and become a millionaire.